Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing another review and it's gonna be on the new Armani lipstick. So if you've been looking out for new launches, you've probably seen the new Armani matte lipstick. It looks like this and it's a pretty cool product. So it's matte, but it does have hydrators in it and the pigment is so high that you could even use it without a lip liner if you know what you're doing. So I have number 400, which is the iconic red, and I decided to wear a little bit of red so you can, to match it. I don't usually wear lipstick, so we'll see how this goes on and, looks on me. The staying power of this is pretty long, but as with any other lipstick, if you eat something, it'll come off. It does stain on the lip a little bit for certain shades, which is a good thing because it will, it gives you a little bit more of a long-lasting power. So in case you haven't tried any of the Armani lipsticks, they all come like this and they're magnetic. So you can see that the top closes like that. It's a beautiful lipstick. Just gonna zoom in really quickly. Alright, so let's try it out. I think this is the first time I actually do a review on lipstick where I actually wear the lipstick. I don't remember me doing that unless it was like, a tutorial or like a Halloween look. But I didn't even shave, like it's gonna be pretty rough, but I think it'll be fun. .400 is more of like a blue red. A little bit closer to true red though. And what this really reminds me of is, I don't know if you remember the Makeup Forever lipsticks back in the day. I think about 8 years ago they came out with like a collection of lipsticks and they were super pigmented, but they were kind of drying. This is very similar to it as far as the pigment, but I don't think it's as drying. Like it doesn't dry patchy on the lips, which is a great sign. What I like to do, that you just saw me do right now is blend my lips together after I put it on the top lip to kind of get the shape. So I can see how much I can overdraw it and how far I can take it. And there you go. And then from there, I can just reapply and really sketch out the lip. There you go, so that's what it looks like. I didn't know, but I have pretty fucking big lips. Even though it looks like a circle. But I didn't know my lips were this big. And I didn't get it on my teeth. This is super pretty. This is like something Miranda Sings would wear. But anyways, this is a pretty good color. It reminds me a little bit of Cruella, but not as blue and dark, from NARS. The consistency is very similar, but I can tell that there's a little bit of moisture to it, which is perfect, if you want to apply and then reapply to get more pigment out of it. This is a really good product for that. And as you can see, I didn't even draw a lip liner, and I still am able to get smooth lines that define the lips, so I don't think it's a problem if you don't use a lip liner with this, unless you're looking to do like an ombre or you have problems with the lipstick stain. But from what I can tell, this should stay really, really well. I have friends that tried it and they say that it's very long wear, like you don't have to worry about it coming off or just disappearing throughout the day, because it's not like your regular moisturizing lipstick, even though it does have some moisture to it. Alright, that was the video for today. I hope you guys appreciated me swatching the lipstick for you and not shaving. This is totally the look. It's the thing to do right now. If you have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified whenever I have a new video. And don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.